Hey guys, IIT JAM 2021 Mathematics official answer key has been released by IISc Bangalore. This is the official answer key, and the respective question paper of this answer key is this. This is the portion of MCQ containing 10 question of Mark 1, and this is the question. This is the portion of MCQ containing 20 question of Mark 2. Section B, the portion of MSQ containing 10 question of Mark 2. And the last one, portion of net, section C, containing 10 question of Mark 1 and 10 question of Mark 2. So this is the official answer key and the respective question paper, and the link is given in description to download the official answer key and the respective question paper. Now come to the official website of IIT JAM 2021. This is the official website. Now let me tell you how to download the question paper and the respective answer key. This is the official website. You have to click here. To download the answer key and the official question paper for mathematics, you have to click here for question paper and here for answer key. Now read this note carefully. The sequence of questions and options in the question paper found on the candidate's response sheet may differ from one posted here. The answer key are open to challenge during March 1 to 3, 2021 by paying a fee of 500 per question through the portal. That is, if you want to claim any answer or if you want to challenge any answer of IISc, then you have to pay 500 rupees per question, and the time duration of that is 1 March to 3. Moreover, the question number and answer mentioned in the challenge must be according to the question paper posted on the web page. That is this one. The question paper and the answer mentioned in the challenge must be according to this question paper and answer key, not the one found on the candidate's response sheet. The candidate challenging the answer key must also provide a detailed answer to the question. That is, if you want to challenge any answer of IIT JAM, then you have to give a proper explanation of that question. That why do you feel that your answer is correct and the answer that they are given in answer key are wrong. The last one, the fee of 500 will be refunded only if a challenge is found to be valid. That is, if you claim any answer of IIT JAM and you will pay 500 rupees, then if you give a proper explanation and they think that you are correct, then they will refund your 500 rupees. The last one, the final answer key will be available on the web page in the third week of March 2021. So I have told you how to download the question paper and the respective answer key of IIT JAM 2021. Now, as I told you that I have also appeared in this exam, then this is my response sheet. I have attempted 18 question in MCQ. I have attempted less question in MCQ because it is risky portion. There is a negative marking in this portion. So this is MCQ portion. Now this one. Now come to the MSQ portion. In MSQ section B, I have attempted 8 question out of 10. There is no negative marking in this portion. Now come to the portion of net. In net, I have attempted 16 question out of 20. So overall, I have attempted 18 question in MCQ, out of which 17 are correct. In MSQ, I have attempted 8 question, out of which 6 are correct. In one question, I have doubt. I am thinking to claim that question. In NET, I have attempted 16 question, all are correct. So I have attempted total 42 question, out of which 39 are correct. So my total score is 66.67 according to the official answer key. So I have attempted less number of question, but I have maintained the accuracy. So this is from my side. Thank you for watching my video, and comment your score also, and comment any problem regarding IIT SAM. I will help you. Thank you for watching my video.